I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. I have taken this image with a white watermark, but if you have a multicolored watermark or a transparent watermark, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to remove those watermarks as well in the later parts of this video. So first, let's start with one color watermark. You also need to ensure your background does not include the color of your watermark. So let's start. Go to On Select, and click on Color Range. Now select the color of your watermark. Now you can see that only white color in the entire image has been selected. But the selection is very much close to the edges, which will give us very sharp results, and the extreme edges might get left out if the images are pixelated. So let's go to Select again. Click on Select and Mask. Now increase the radius, shift edges and contrast, and add a little feather to get smooth edges. Now go to Edit, and click on Content Aware Fill. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. You can see the selected area is nicely replaced with our background. Now let's look at another option for watermarks that are not single-colored or are transparent. In such cases, you need to select the watermark manually. This watermark contains more lines, so I'm going to use a brush tool and draw these lines. I'll change the color so that you can see. Now create a new layer and start drawing lines above the watermark lines. Press Shift key to get straight lines. If you have text or logo instead of lines in your watermark, simply draw above the text or logo using a brush tool. Make sure you cover a little extra area than the watermark. I've selected all lines. Now I'm just gonna increase the size of my brush and cover the text area as well. Okay, so we have covered the complete watermark. Now to select it, press Ctrl and click on the layer. Now hide the upper layer. Go to the original layer and follow the same process. Go to Edit. This time I will show you the fill option. Select Content Aware here and press OK. There you go. Both ways will give you similar results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your feedback in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.